students, we should do that. And also, I would like to advise all my juniors to please do everything at time and also listen the words of your teachers. Sir James, why it means because like he teaches us very well with his tireless effort. Though we are very pleased, not like others school students. He teaches us very well, and moreover, he gives us tuitions. He tries his best by like apart from text, he used to search from Google and like phones and all. He apart from text. Without knowledge, everything is impossible in our life. Through knowledge, we can get many things. With money, we cannot do anything, but knowledge is very important in our life. So I like to request to all my juniors to have knowledge. Money is not important in our life, but knowledge is the most value in our life. Thank you.
I believe. And that's what I want to put this upon you. What your teacher is telling, what your elders are telling, what you so good things, you continue to do them on it. So, so we already have a feeling of love also, like you're my brother, my sister. That is what I'm thinking. And what I want to say to three of you again is that, as there is a word saying that Ad- and advice is better than a precious jewel. So what I want to say is that I'm going to give you some advice, so you just take it that it as a it is more better than a precious jewel. That one, you the three of you take it and take it. That is what I want to say. So before going to my advice, what I want to say is that I just want to cut out one proverb. It says that anyone or every person, those who are become very great or very successful person, they are they are a lifelong student. Like any person in this world, those who are become very great or those who live a successful life, they are a lifelong student. That means lifelong student means always I'm learning. It is not thinking that what I'm learning is enough. No, not thinking like that. There should be lifelong students so that they will become more great and great and your life is very successful. It is saying that one. So don't forget that. That is what I want. That is my God I want to keep to three of you.
School as a kid who doesn't know how to even hold a pencil and leave it when my height is almost equal to my teachers. From here, we all will go to see bigger world in the form of a college, but it is the hard work of the teachers that make us capable enough to step our foot out of this school on behalf of my class. I would like to say that we all will never forget all the support and care given by our teachers. Nothing is enough to describe the contribution all you all have made for us. We'll have you unconditionally. I hope you all I hope you all will continue making students better human beings, just like you did to us. Thank you so much, dear teachers. I'm thankful to all the caretakers and the children of our school as well. I truly appreciate your efforts to keep our school green and beautiful. And now it is time to say a few words about those without whom I could not spend all the years in this school. Not mentioning my friends and classmates on this memorable occasion will be a sign. You all have made my experience of how school life can be a memorable. Dear friends and classmates, you have gifted me a wonderful and delightful experience in school life. I'm certainly going to miss the time we spent in our school together after today. Before stepping down, I would like to thank once again to all my teachers for everything and my old friends and juniors for their love and friendship. I wish a bright and prosperous future to everyone present here. On this note, I end my speech. Thank you.
it nicely and then appear the final exam nicely and bring the good news for the children. But the last words